The human heart is a hollow, fibromuscular organ, and it is conical in shape. Human heart is located in thoracic cavity between lungs. Heart is the organ that controls the circulatory system. Human heart is enclosed in a sac known as pericardium, and there is a fluid known as pericardial fluid present between the pericardium and the heart walls, and the function of pericardium is to save the heart from the friction. Human heart consists of four chambers. Two upper thin-walled chambers are called atria, while two lower thick-walled chambers are called ventricles. Upper right chamber of heart is the right atrium, while lower right chamber is right ventricle. Similarly, upper left chamber of heart is left atrium, while lower left chamber is left ventricle. Both the superior and inferior vena cava are attached with the right atrium, while four pulmonary arteries are attached with the left atrium. Heart septum is a wall that separates the left and the right side of heart. The heart septum consists of atrial septum, which separates the atria, and ventricular septum, which separates the ventricles. There are four valves present in the heart. The function of valves is to prevent the backflow of blood. The two valves are called atrioventricular valves because these are present at the junction of atrium and ventricles, while the other two valves are semilunar valve. One of the atrioventricular valve is present at the junction of right atrium and right ventricle, and it is also called the tricuspid valve because it consists of three flaps or cusps, while the second atrioventricular valve is present at the junction of left atrium and left ventricle. It is also termed as bicuspid valve or mitral valve, and it consists of two flaps or cusps. While the one of the semilunar valve is present at the junction of left ventricle and aorta, and it is also known as aortic valve, while the other one is at the junction of the right ventricle and the pulmonary vein. Human heart acts as a double pump, as its right side takes the deoxygenated blood coming from the body via the superior and inferior vena cava and then send this deoxygenated blood to the lungs, while the left side of the heart receives the oxygenated blood coming from the lungs through the pulmonary veins and it's sent to the whole body via the aorta.